Hello Year 4. This week we're going to be working on multiplication and division. Today we're going to start by looking at multiplying 2 and 3 digit numbers by a 1-digit number using a written method. So we're going to start just by looking at this example here, 32 times 3. Now, there are other ways of doing this one. You don't necessarily need a written method for this, but I just want to show you what's going on. So remember, we've lined up our 10s and our 1s, and I'm going to start by doing 3 lots of 2, which is 6, 3, 6. And then 3 lots of 3, 3, 6, 9. So I get 96, because remember really what I've done here is 3 times 30, which is 90. 3 times 3 tens is 9 tens. What happens then if we add a hundreds column to that, a digit in the hundreds column? Well, we get something very similar. 3 times 2 is still 6. 3 times 3 tens is 9 tens. 3 times 100 is 3 hundreds. But then the real question is, what about this? If I change, I'm not timesing by 2 now, I'm timesing by 3, sorry, I'm timesing by 4. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12. So I need to regroup. I can't put 12 in this tens column. I need to regroup. And you see my 12 there, but I put that 10 down into the next column. 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 1 gives me 5. So I get 528. Got 8 ones, 12 tens, and in total 5 hundreds. So pause the video now, have a go at these questions, unpause when you're ready for the answers. Okay, here we go, nice and quickly. 24 times 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. And again, I'm seeing the connections between these questions. Well, everything stayed the same, except I've added 100. So I think I'm still going to have 48, but now I've got 2 times 1, 248. And this time, I think I'm going to predict some regrouping is needed, because 4 times 3 is 12, regroup. 3 times 2 is 6, add the 1 gives me 7. 3 times 1 is 3, 372. Some slightly different ones then, slightly harder now. More regrouping going to have to happen, I think. If you're struggling with this, if you don't know your 6 times table straight away, you might just want very quickly to write out your 6 times table down the side. So hopefully you can count up in your 6s, even if you don't know, say that 6 times 6 is 36. You might be able to count confidently in your 6s. So 6 times 3, 1, 2, 3, oh yeah, that's 18. Again, put the 8 in the 1s column, regroup to the 10. 6 times 4, 24, add that 1 gives me 25. Again, I'm regrouping, can see 25 like that. 6 times 2 is 12. Add those 2 gives me 14. Again here, 413 times 4. 4 times 3 I know is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 1 is 5. 4 times 4, 16. Pause the video. You have a go. And here we go. 342 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 1, 21. Again, you can see 21 like that, but I've regrouped the 2 tens, and 5 times 3 is 15. Add those 2 gives me 1,710. And then finally, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 7 is 21. Add that 1 is 22. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 2 gives me 8. So I've got 822. Have a go now at the independent task. See how you get on.